it is me, Glam Doll, and I am back today with another video. I know I haven't done a video in a very long time, but getting back in the swing of things. So basically this video is going to be about me packaging and shipping orders. I have no certain way on what I do this, but I just do it. Also, if you guys don't know, I am the owner of Dripped and Glam, Dripped and Glam Beauty, and what we offer is we offer handbags, we offer 25mm and 3D mink lashes. We also offer sunglasses. I offer custom necklaces. As you can see, I have this one on. This is just the established year necklace. I also offer necklaces that says Savage and Bougie. I'm actually waiting for them to come in. So I will offer jewelry as well. And this week, this Friday, I will be adding hair. So I will be adding bundles, and then I eventually move to wigs. The textures that I have coming in this week is actually Body Wave, which I know is pretty popular. The length starts from 16 all the way to 24. It is a 3-bundle deal. So you will get 3 bundles. Also, when you purchase hair from me, you will also receive a hair bonnet, which I'm actually in the process of getting made now, so don't know how soon that's going to be. But for now, you will get free edge control from my business, Dripped and Glam. So you will get, and that is my logo, and it says Dripped and Glam on there. So you will get edge control with your bundles, and you will also get a pair of lashes. So yeah, you will get that. So basically I'm about to start doing orders. So all right, so this first order, this is actually a pickup order, and this is actually a dress that I offer in a size large, and it just says Queen. So what I will do is I will go over to my inventory, I will get the dress, I will take it and fold it, because we do have to package it. So I will take it and I will just fold it up. So once I fold it up, I make sure that I have it folded enough to where it can fit in my little bag. So I will take this and fold this again, so it'll actually be rolled like this. I will take one of my bags. I will actually put it in the inside of the bag. So once I put it in the inside of the bag, and I do my orders that I ship differently from my my pickup orders. So take the strip off, take it. It does have like a sticky back on here, so it does have a sticky back. So what I would do is take it, fold it down, close it like this, so it will look like this. Now, since it is a pickup order, I am actually going to take a bag, so I should take a bag. I will take some tissue paper. So I do have some tissue paper. And what I will do is I will actually open the bag like this. And of course you guys seen my logo, so you know why I have colorful bags. And I will take my tissue paper, stick it in there. Now, I am out of business cards, so, but I do have some on the way. And I do have some more thank you cards coming. But the thank you cards that I'm going to show you, I actually made those myself. So I will take the product, put it inside the bag. Once I put it inside the bag, and I did make these myself until my original ones come in, I'll put a thank you note. It just says, thank you for shopping. It has my logo. It has my business name, and then it has my contact information at the bottom. So I will put this in this bag. And then I will set this bag to the side to be picked up. Oh, I did forget to put the other tissue in there. So let me put the other tissue in there. So, and I would know who this belongs to because I would put their name and all that in there. So that's how I do my pickup orders now for my shipping orders. So what I would do is I would take the product. Well, first I will print off a packing slip for them. Let me not show her address. Okay, so I will print off a packing slip for her, and it'll just show all the things that she ordered. I did have a sale going on. I do have one till Friday. So I would print off her packing slip, and then I would actually print off a transaction detail for me. And what I would do is I will go down the line, look at everything that she purchased, make sure I have it, and check it out once I grab everything. So when I do that, this is actually the handbag that she purchased. You can kind of see through the bag. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I want to keep it wrapped and supported for her. So yeah, this is my lemonade bag that she ordered. It was on sale for $15. So I will take that. She ordered my pink out shades, which is actually, I should have come open already. My pink out shades, which actually looks like this. So these are what my pink out shades look like. And she actually ordered a brown pair as well. So this is what those look like. And these were on sale on my site for $5. So she had pink out, and then she had brownie. I'll get my video this right now. I did disconnect. My Bluetooth is not on. Okay, with my son. So this is brownie. This is another pair of shades. Sorry, y'all. Don't mind it. And then this is my Boss Up lashes, which is my 25mm lashes. I'm not gonna touch her lashes with my hands. So yeah, Boss Up 25mm. Okay, so these were the 4 items that she ordered. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to take one of my baggies and I'm going to put her lashes, her shades in here, both pair of shades. And then I'm going to take the adhesive off, close it down. And then I'm going to take a bubble mailer. I'm going to stick this inside the bubble mailer. Now, here's the thing. I may or may not be able to fit everything in this one bubble mailer. So I may have to do two separate envelopes for her, or I may have to get a priority mail envelope for the post office. So let's see. I can put her bag in here. And then let's see. Get her other items. So doesn't look like her other items are gonna fit in here. So I can either do priority mail or I can just ship them separately. So I may just ship them separately. So I may do that because I don't think it's gonna fit. So let's see. We can try. And yes, I did put up my bag, y'all. I'm always doing something. So we can do the eyelashes in here. I'm not gonna tell you this. So what's in here is the eyelashes and the purse. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to weigh it just to see how much it weighs. I did get a separate little bubble mailer. So I might be doing two separate transactions. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to add a thank you card in here. Let's see if I can get it in here, y'all. Whew, y'all, I'm having a hard time. Y'all see why I say I don't have no specific order on how I do things. So I have the thank you card in there, and then I'm going to slip the bag in the inside, and then I'm gonna put the lashes. There we go. So I'm gonna put the lashes. All right. So next, what I'm going to do. Okay, guys. So I had to turn it around. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh. I'm going to weigh the items. So I'm going to wait till my scale zero out. So it's zeroed out. Make sure I have it on the correct units. Okay. Okay, we got it on ounces. So this may be more than an ounce. Okay, let's see. So this is actually 16.2, so it is actually a pound. So I'm changing the, yep. So it's actually a pound. You guys can see that. 1 pound and 1 ounce. So yeah, that's it. So it's 1.3. And then we're gonna measure this, which is 2.6 ounces. So there's 2.6 ounces and the other one was a pound. Okay, guys, so it is the next night, and I didn't film an outro, so I'm just gonna film this outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog about my business. Don't forget to shop www.drippedandglam.com. Also follow us on Instagram at Dripped and Glam. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all have a good night.